So now we're going to take a look at AWS Software Development Kit, known as SDK, and this allows you to control multiple AWS services using popular programming languages. So to understand what an SDK is, let's go define that. So it is a set of tools and libraries that you can use to create applications for a specific software package. So in the case for the AWS SDK, it is a set of API libraries that that let you integrate AWS services into your applications. Okay, so that fits pretty well into the description of an SDK. And the SDK is available for the following languages. We have C++, Go, Java, JavaScript, .NET, Node.js, PHP, Python, and Ruby. And so I just have an example of a couple of things I wrote in the SDK, and one is in Node.js and one is Ruby. It's the exact same script. It's for AWS recognition for detecting labels, but just to show you how similar it is among different languages. So more or less the syntax is going to be the same. But yeah, that's all you need to know.